to go fix it.
You've been full from.
This is how cops stop you in Haiti, man. When you're in Haiti, they just pull you over like this. The cops, they don't have a car, they can't chase you. They just stop you and pull you over.